Welcome everyone to Traveling. My name is Martin from Traveling. I have very helpful information today, and I will be talking about Chevening Scholarship. This is a scholarship that could take you to UK to study free of charge from beginning to the end of your course. I mean, without thinking of paying your tuition fees, fully funded. And for this scholarship, I will be giving you information, vital information on how to apply, when to apply, eligibility criteria, and the hack, the secret, how to get this scholarship, achieved. Sometimes people apply for this scholarship after they've gone to UK or they've already gotten admission, but this will not give you the Chevening scholarship. So I will be telling you everything you need to know about the Chevening scholarship and, you know, as much information as possible I would be able to share to you that will help you to become successful. But before I go into Chevening Scholarship, for those who don't know me, I would like to tell you a little more about myself. My name is Martin. Your migration dream. We start with studying in the university, having your undergraduate degree, bachelor degree, master's, and PhD, and even studying vocational schools. Doing vocational courses in different part of the world, in Asia, in Australia, in US, any part of the world, and in different continents, and also talk about small businesses and how you can run these small businesses if you may want to know, or how to become a good salesperson and all of that. Talk about permanent residency and other modes of traveling. So you may want to check out our channel and see more information as much as you can. So take your time and be my guest. Well, I'll be going back to Chevening Scholarship, like I promised. So, the first thing is to know about Chevening Scholarship. Chevening Scholarship enables outstanding emerging leaders from all over the world to pursue 1 year master's degree in the UK. If you have the passion and influence to solve present local, national, and global challenges, we strongly encourage you to apply. Yeah, so that is just in a nutshell what it's all about. You can come back here and just hit up your country to check out if you are eligible. Of course, about 140 plus countries are eligible, so you can check out who can apply. To take you to expose more information. And yeah, if you check it out here, you could see the eligibility criteria. So you will need to have at least 2 years work experience to be able to qualify. They want to see that you've graduated and worked for at least 2 years, and you must have graduated at least 2 years back before you can apply. Okay, so full eligibility criteria is here. You can click it up, and yeah, takes you to this place. So where you're going to read more about the eligibility criteria of the program. So you can see, be a citizen of a fellowship eligibility eligible country or territory, which yeah, I'm going to show you this country. And if you're applying from European Union and blah blah blah, there are other ways to apply. Demonstrate the potential to rise to a position of leadership and influence. What is critical in your application is that you must demonstrate that, yeah, I am determined to grow to the top. Okay, there is for leadership, not for everyone. Demonstrate the personal, intellectual, and interpersonal attributes reflecting this potential. Return to your home country of citizenship. Meet all program-specific fellowship eligibility requirement. Not hold British or dual citizenship. You know, British citizenship. Not have received UK government scholarship and all of that. Anyway, you can just read them through. Um, you know. So now to check out your country, yeah, you can come to this place and check out if your country is eligible. And let's say, yeah, you can see all the countries about, so many countries: Albania, Algeria, Andorra, Angola, you know. So let's say I'm from Nigeria, so I can just come here and select Nigeria, and I will just search because I don't want to search every other country, right? So to see which of the scholarships are available in Nigeria. So if I search for Nigeria, there are two scholarship award: Chevening Oxford Center for Islamic Study Fellowship and Nigeria Chevening Scholarship. This most likely you're going to be using, so you can hit it up. So you can see they are open for application until 6th October. Normally run from August to October, okay? So you should keep that in mind, and you've got it by a month plus. Then you can apply today from here, or you can read all of this, of course, before applying. Then For this scholarship, you're eligible to apply for at least up to three universities. Up to three universities. This is very crucial. So let's just check out some other. Let me check out which other country I'm gonna check out. Okay, let me check out one of this. Argentina, for example. In Argentina, it's just Chevening in Argentina that's open. Unlike Nigeria, we've got two options. So I will just check out. Let me go to maybe five, and let's check out some other country to see where it's open. Okay. Yeah, India. Let me check out India. India is just India Chevening Scholarship. So let me see Hungary. Yeah. Also the same. So that is it. Maybe I should check out India actually. Yeah. Instead of assuming. Yeah. Okay, it is. So you can just read through to see your eligibility criteria. I mean, specific information for your country. Okay. Yeah. So that is it. One important thing is to find out the courses which are eligible for the Chevening Scholarship. There's not every courses that. So you have to check out UK university courses, to see which courses are eligible. And this is the secret. Don't just go and start applying for the Chevening Scholarship. First, you need to find eligible courses because it's not every school and every course that's eligible. So, if you go and apply to an ineligible course, you won't be able to get into Chevening. So, the process is to start by searching the course. Let's say I'm going to choose Birmingham. Okay. And for every university in Birmingham, I would be able to see, yeah, if they're eligible. So, you can see Chevening. For example, Aston University, you can see that business analytics MSc is eligible, cyber security management is eligible. So this way you have to check your school, which you want to apply. So you can apply up to three institutions, okay? So you apply into those institutions. So once you get this admission, it comes with this scholarship, okay? And yeah, so you don't worry about tuition, and you don't worry about what is it called? You don't worry about visa again, because once you get this and you meet the health requirement, yeah, your visa will also be assured because the visa officer know that you're already eligible for Chevening scholarship and you don't have cost liability. So that is it.